Question: what is AWS Snowball and when is it used? Number Answer: AWS Snowball is a physical data transfer service provided by Amazon Web Services (AWS). It is designed to securely and efficiently transfer large amount of data between on-premises environments and AWS. Here's Here's how AWS Snowball works and when it is used. Number 1. Data transfer. AWS Snowballs used a rugged and tamper resistant device called a Snowball application. The Snowball application is a portable storage device with high capacity up to 80 terabytes that is shipped to your location. You can connect the Snowball application to your local network and transfer data from your existing storage system onto it. Number 2. Data protection. A Snowball application employ strong security measures to protect your data during transit. Each application is encrypted within 256-bit encryption and you can set a user-defined encryption key to ensure the confidentiality of your data. The devices also include built-in tamper-evident enclosures so you can detect any unauthorized access attempts. Number 3. Data import-export. Once your data is loaded onto the Snowball appliance, you can ship it back to AWS. AWS then imports the data from the Snowball appliance into the desired AWS service, such as Amazon S3 Simple Storage Service or Amazon Glacier for long-term storage and analysis. The process is secure, efficient, and faster than transferring large amount of data over the internet. Number 4. Data export. In addition to data import, AWS Snowball also supports data export. You can export large data sets from AWS services onto a Snowball appliance and then ship the appliance back to your on-premises environment for offline analysis or backup. AWS Snowball is typically used in the following scenarios. A. Data migration. When you need to transfer a large amount of data from your on-premises data center to AWS, Snowball can be used as a faster and more efficient alternative to transferring data over the internet. It is particularly useful when you have limited internet bandwidth or when the data transfer would take an impractical amount of time using online methods. B. Data seeding. If you are starting a new AWS project or deploying a large scale application, Snowball can be used to seed your initial data. Instead of uploading all the data over the network, you can load it onto a Snowball appliance locally, ship it to AWS, and then have it imported into the desired AWS service. C. Data backup and recovery. Snowball can be used to perform data backups or create offline copies of your critical data stored in AWS. By exporting data from AWS onto a Snowball appliance, you can have a physical copy of your data stored securely on premises for additional backup or disaster recovery purposes. D. Data transport for remote locations. If you have data located in remote or disconnected environments such as remote field of offices or offshore oil rigs, a Snowball can be used to transfer the data to AWS. The Snowball appliance can be shipped to these locations, and the data can be securely imported into AWS once the appliance is returned. Overall, AWS Snowball provides a practical solution for transferring large data sets securely and quickly between on-premises environments and AWS. It simplifies the process of data migration, seeding, backup, and recovery, especially when dealing with significant volumes of data that are not easily transferred over the internet. Thank you.